YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully you guys had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And we shall see what they sent us. And also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And if you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. And I'll ship this to you fast. Ooh, baby. Okay, this will be separate. Okay. This is coming from Lepow. This is Z1 series. Type C portable display. Here we go, guys. (1080p) HDMI, 15-inch, 15.6 USB Type C. Lepow Z1 series. Definitely excited to try this out. You can hook up your Chromebooks, pretty much everything to these monitors. Nintendo Switch, bunch of other devices, Xbox, PlayStation, the stream device thing, whatever it's called. That what that portable system is called now. That just came out. Come on. Also check for their Cyber Monday, Black Friday deals, sales, and everything going on. Also, website is going to be iLepow.com. It'll be down below also with my Amazon affiliate. So either or, check back, see which one had the better deals between Amazon and their website. So should be about the same, but it's whatever you feel more comfortable doing, especially if you have Amazon gift cards and stuff. So here we go. Remove this. Here we go. Lepow. This is just like a kind of diagram. They have good directions though. This is good. So you can hook up your PlayStation 3, 4, 5, HDMI box, Android box, Fire Stick, you name it. This does it all. Comes with one of the folding covers. I'm not a fan of those, but they do the job. Got a screen protector. That's always a good thing. This must be the power adapter part of it. Just like a cell phone, smartphone device power. There we go, USB right there. Pretty simple. So like I said, holiday rush is going on right now. We're gonna see what the goodies are first at the bottom. Got the FAQ. Got the USB, I think. Type C. I'll get my Chromebook. Or maybe a video game system. We got what here? The USB. Yeah. USB time. Bam. Boom. User guide. And HDMI. Yeah, I like these HDMI ones. You can hook up anything to it. Ooh. Get some dust absorber and wipes to put on the protector. I'm not going to do it because I'm not good at doing those. I've never been through cell phones and whatnot. I've never been good at putting on those protectors. I know a lot of people are good, but that ain't my specialty. Here we go. Yeah, I'm sure there's videos on YouTube on how to apply those protectors. But just here, it's going to do unboxing and setup and all that good stuff. Okay. Cases there already on it. Cool. So it's one of these type. Gotta fold. Hey, they're pretty nifty. A lot of people like them, so we'll use it for the video. Oh, there I am. You can see the monitor is super lightweight. You can take this on the road. And you can do some editing videos and whatnot. Pictures and yeah, that's a little dust. It's all right. Leave that on for now. Here's the back. Got the speakers right there. Or the slip. There we go. Got the speakers. Here's the power button. Yeah, these are super nice, guys. Super lightweight. Super thin too. So it looks good with the Switch, Xbox. I've played multiple games on these already through the other Lepow screens I have, so definitely a nice one though. Let me get something set up here and then test. In a brief, before we start getting the Xbox ready, plug this in. Look at that, that looks pretty clear, even with the sheet over it, or the can't wait to try this out. So give me 1 second, guys. We'll have the Xbox. Alright guys, we got it set up. I'll turn the lights off because you can't see with those two lights in the back. Give me 1 second. Gotta get up. There we go. We still got enough light to know what's going on here. Okay. We'll stay attached. Already got the Game Pass. It's gonna Call of Duty. I'll probably get that probably this weekend if I'm not doing anything. Do a little tennis. Match point needs an update. Update it. But yeah, this looks good though so far. Especially if you're at like on the road, vacation spot, you know. Super lightweight to carry. Don't need that much cord, so easy to hook up. Picture looks great. Can't wait to see the gameplay and how it looks. Play some Madden or whatever, Call of Duty. I think you can have like 2 screens going on. I'm gonna have to try that in a second. We'll figure this thing out. It's gonna be a few minute update. I'll pause you guys. Alright guys, look at these graphics. Now this is nice. For this size, this is like almost too good to be true. So I would definitely pick a couple up. We're gonna test something out in a few minutes. I just want to show you guys what the gaming looks like. Now, this is the tennis game Match Point on the Game Pass. Really good tennis game. If you guys want to play that too, you should check this game out. Really cool, simple. I just hope I don't get copyrighted. You can do the contrast mode, black level sharpness. There we go. You can continue. See? But yeah, definitely check this game out. This game is for a tennis game. Definitely. So you don't have too many tennis games out, but they did a good job with this one. Oh jeez. Whoa. Hey, this guy's good. Oh, watch out, Andre Agassi. Hey, this is a long volley. I think that's what it's called. Oh, no way. Bam. Got my first point. Look at that. This is really cool. Hold on a second. I'm going to try something after this. Never mind, you can't. But, yeah, this game, definitely check it out. Look at that. I mean, definitely well worth it. So, check them out, Lepow. This is Z1 series. Links will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. Take it easy.